So what's the similarity between winning Wimbledon and running a thriving business? Well, I'm going to give you three. Number one, preparation. Just like tennis players spend hours on the court perfecting their skills before a tournament, businesses also need to thoroughly prepare by researching the market, understanding customer needs, and developing effective strategies. Number two, mental strength and resilience. In both circumstances, technique and skill are a given. Alcaraz didn't beat Djokovic because of skill alone. What enabled him to perform consistently, it was his ability to handle immense pressure, being able to hit winners or make critical decisions under pressure. Business success too depends largely on mental fortitude, staying focused under pressure, making tough decisions, and maintaining a positive attitude. Number three, adaptability. Even with perfect planning and execution, outside factors can influence the outcome, i.e. the crowd chanting for your opponent coming to the net when you thought he was going to drive from the back of the court. Unexpected market shifts occur in tennis and impact business. A successful tennis player must adapt their strategy based on their opponent's play, just like businesses need to pivot their strategies based on the market dynamics. So whether it's on the grass courts of Wimbledon or in the boardroom of the business world, the principles of success remain the same. Both demand a blend of preparation, mental fortitude, resilience, and adaptability. These key points remind us that while we can't control every outcome, we can certainly influence them through our actions and hopefully one day win Wimbledon.